Hello and welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test, brought to you by Sencommunications. I'm McKenna, and today we have another super exciting Livey video. This one's headphones, so it's going to be a bit different than the headsets I've showed you in the past, and it's the 910BT series. Okay, before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on our future videos. And I have to admit, I've already dug into this one and I've been using it all week long. So opening up the box, here we have a nice carrying case, which you all know I am a huge fan of. And then, as I said, I did use this already. So one thing is not pictured here, and it is the USB-C charger. But it also comes with a 3.5 millimeter headset jack, as well as a user guide to learn how to connect the headset. And then here it is. It folds up for convenience and takes up less space. And then you'll notice it's labeled right and left. So it does have a preference of which side to wear it on. There also is a charging port on the bottom, in addition to volume up and volume down and power. And the headset is adjustable, which is convenient to make it comfortable. And it is very stretchy, so it doesn't apply too much pressure. Okay, so here is the headset out of the box. As you can see, a lot of cushioning, so it's extremely comfortable. And I mentioned, I would tell you why I don't traditionally use headsets a lot. And the first reason is because usually I get a headache. It squeezes my head too tight. This headset is super flexible, so it eliminates that issue. The second issue is I do have triple piercings. So if it's too tight on my head and the ear cushions are small, then it's just pushing those into the back of my neck all day. These, on the other hand, are actually really deep pocketed and wide. So they sit on my whole entire ear and I don't have to worry about my earrings being uncomfortable. Another reason why it can be really hard to wear headsets, especially in the office, is because typically they don't have great mics, but this Livey headset is built in with 6 enhanced noise canceling mics for active noise cancellation. It also has multi-point technology, which connects 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously with a roaming distance of up to 10 meters. The cushions are made of leather, and arguably the most impressive thing about this headset, and actually the reason why I wanted to show it today, is because it not only has a 50-hour talk time, but it also has a 200-day standby time, which means if you plug it in and fully charge it and forget about it for 199 days, it will still have charge left in it, which is just incredible. Now, for the way it holds a charge, you probably are thinking, I bet it takes forever to charge. Only 2 to 2.5 hours. Of course, this headset has lots of other uses though. It's not only good for professional use, but you can go ahead and wear it to the gym or just leisurely. And it does connect with all iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows devices. So as you can see, this headset is stacked with features, but now let's put it to the test.
And this is what it would sound like if you're using these headphones in a call center. This is what it would sound like if dogs were barking while you were using these headphones at home.